But what happened to the floor?
Surprise, honey! Welcome to a new home.
It's beautiful. I love the sofa and the cushions. The table isn't quite my style.
We'll change it. Anything you want.
These curtains are a bit old-fashioned.
Absolutely. We'll get the one that you love. Come.
But what happened to the floor? It has cracks and damage. Let's change that too.
Looks like changing the floor is not as easy as changing curtains and paintings. Didn't you check before buying?
I remember checking the slabs carefully while purchasing.
Did you check all of them?
I checked too, and I was told rest will be similar. These spots and cracks have appeared after polishing. Now it's too late. I'm stuck.
I'm sorry about that, but once the marble is installed, there's no going back. You should have checked all in a polished form.
Is that even possible?
Yes, choose pre-polished marble. It's the only marble insurance you need against unwanted surprises like dark spots, damages, and discolored patches.